Welcome to RockStar Guitar Academy, where beginners turn practice into progress, and progress into something amazing, their very first album. We'll start with famous riffs and classic songs, from Metallica to the Beatles to Hendrix to Ozzy to Van Halen and many more. You'll play along with full band tracks, sometimes with the guitars and sometimes without them, giving you a chance to be the guitarist. Next, we'll make real recordings of your playing with the band tracks. And don't worry, mistakes can be fixed. Once it sounds solid, we'll shoot a fun performance video. That video gets added to your personal album track list. And when you've got 9 songs, you'll be able to say, "Yes, I just completed my first album." Step by step, riff by riff, you'll go from beginner to guitarist with a collection of songs you can be proud of. Ready to start your journey? Grab your guitar and let's rock!